Hey, so today we're going to learn how to install your receipt printer on Mac. So we're going to start out on our Star website, and we're going to go ahead and fill out these fields. Product type is going to be thermal. Under printer family, let's go ahead and go with MPOP. We did TSP100 for the last one, so just to switch it up, let's do MPOP. And now let's go ahead and click Mac. And then we're just going to go ahead and click on this right here. And that'll bring us to this page right here. And then we're just going to go ahead and click this next link. And we're going to see this little file pop up. And we're just going to go ahead and double click on that to open it. And we just got to wait a second for it to open. And now we see it pop up right here. So let's go ahead and double click this to open up this folder. And then let's go to driver. Now we're going to click on this. And we're just going to follow the instructions that we're prompted to. So let's go ahead and click continue. We're going to select the Mac drive. And we're going to install. Now this will cause your Mac to restart. So just keep that in mind. And let's go ahead and continue. And the installation was successful. So now we're just going to go ahead and restart our Mac. So since we're not attached to a printer right now, I can show you where you need to go, but I can't actually connect the printer for you. So let me go ahead and show you what to do. So we can click on this search bar and open Star Micronics Cloud. And we get an error message because we're not connected to a printer, but if you were to be connected to a printer, it's a very easy process. You're just going to follow the instructions that you're prompted to, and then your printer will be connected. Now let's go ahead and show you what to do when you're actually printing. So let's head over to Punchey, and let's go ahead and we're going to allow flash. And let's go check out a customer. So we'll just really pick any of these, and we're going to accept payment. And we're going to pay in cash. Just put in your amount tendered, however much that is. Hit continue. And now we can see what it will look like when you actually go to print. So first you're just going to need to fill out the required fields, and we have it for you so you know exactly what to do. Under destination, you're just going to choose your default printer. We have it as a TSP143 right now. And then you're going to do a size of 72 by 120 millimeters. And then you're going to customize your margins to your specifications, whatever best fits you. And for scale, you're also going to customize that. We recommend 41, but again, you can go with whichever you prefer. And that's how easy it is to print your receipts, install your software, and get your business up and running with Punchey. So if you have any questions, make sure to contact us and have a great day.